Hello, digital world. I'm Karen Moynihan, former commercial banker, second time founder, and CEO of Boss Insights. Today, we're talking about the fact that business banking is broken. It's slow, risky, and costly. And fintechs have sorted out how to serve their business customers and delight them. So, what we're going to do is show you how, with a single connection to the leading number of data and insights on your business customers, you will be empowered to seize that data and capture the business lending market. It's one connection without any coding to the leading number of sources in accounting, commerce, banking, and more. It's proven and trusted in market, meaning that we have shown 50% faster loan applications, 80% faster decisioning and servicing, and 90% digitization of the entire process. You're going to see access to our portal, and you're going to hear from our customers and colleagues or partners in market. We're excited to be having the Chief Lending Officer from CCBank, Dustin Phillips, and the Head of Fintech Partnerships at Oracle, Sanjay Matthew, here with us today. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
What you're looking at here is our portal, and this takes 1 minute to sign up for. What we're doing is starting from the beginning when you're actually requesting financials from your business customer. Instead of asking them to go and attach and gather those financial statements, which come by PDF, so that you have to get that information and enter it manually and then go and send that to credit, that's why lending takes months, we're going to fill out this form. This is just about clicking for the information that you need. You don't have to type anything. And as a result, this gets sent out easier, and it will lead to an email being sent, which we can see right now. This email is coming into Julie's inbox. And as a result, she's not being asked a laundry list of items that she has to send to you, because we all know emails that take a long time do not get answered quickly. She's asked for 2 to 3 minutes of her time. And here you see we're guiding her on a process to attach either her financial information, and this is first party entered and third party verified by accountants. You can see here the robust data sources that we have. Or if you're running cash flow loans, she could be attaching her sales information, which is third party entered. She also can attach her banking information through our partners with companies like Yodlee, and finally tax. We're going to show you how easy it is for Julie to connect her accounting information right now. That was all she had to do, and she can then go on to the next category. Compare and contrast that to how long it takes for a customer to send their financials. But those financials can be a little dated. So if you would like current transactional information, you can then use Yodlee to access her bank statements. And you see that connection happens instantly as well. This is now connected for the first time you need it for decisioning and for any covenant monitoring or approvals that you need after the fact. Finally, I'd like to show you how we gather tax information. So Julie is going to log in to her tax account, and she's simply going to pull up her tax form, and through the Boss Insights plugin that we released earlier in 2020, she's simply going to select tax and then send it. We can confirm there has been no alteration to this document for fraud purposes, and that is the entire process for her. 2 to 3 minutes, and she has completed not just the information that she's sending, but also anytime you need it in the future on demand, you will have access to it. You want to say thank you to Julie for doing this for you, and the way to do that is to give her transparency. You want to show her how she looks for the lending process. For SMB lending, you can approve her instantly. For higher commercial values, you can go straight to the art part of commercial lending. Let's go then to see the lender's view. Jim from Lendo has the same access to ratios, which currently he's doing manually, and he has to do every time he needs them for monitoring and renewals. But he also has access to sales information,
so he can see if there are deposits or treasury opportunities, and has access to the data and ratios on demand in real time whenever he needs it.
There is a normalized view that you can access. This allows you to get normalized, standardized information from multiple providers in accounting and commerce and banking that you can then pull into your loan operating system, your CRM, or any other software provider that you are already working with.
What we've just shown you is the Boss Insights portal. It empowers you with real time access to business data on demand so you can proactively serve and delight your customers. It's easy to access and easy to use. Now, we'd like to hear from our customers and partners in market. We're really excited to have the Chief Lending Officer from CCBank and the Head of Fintech Partnerships from Oracle. And here to ask them a few questions is Greg Palmer.
Hey, thanks, Karen, and really great to have you guys both willing to come in and help Boss Insights out with their demo. I think it speaks a lot of what they're able to do. So I'll just start with a couple of questions. Dustin, first question is for you. Why go outside to service your business customers and why use Boss?
Being able to partner with Boss Insights to be able to create an automated system once it became blatantly clear that we desperately needed it was the perfect opportunity to help us capture the opportunity to become way more efficient in the process.
Okay, cool. So next question, what was the issue with business customers that led you to want to serve them better? Was it anything specific?
If you can grab the information quicker and digest it quicker, then there's more time left for the relationship and for the interaction with the individual. You can see that people are choosing to go elsewhere, both employees and customers.
Sure. Okay, so can you give us a peek behind the curtain and just tell us what were the results that you guys had?
We probably gained the opportunity for what I would say is at least 2 to 3 years worth of new client relationships in 30 to 60 days. And we could not have done that without having a more efficient process to do it. It would have bogged us down. And so that's where the necessity created the need for the invention. And not that we invented everything, but having a partner like Boss Insights to provide us with the resources to become more efficient helped solve the problem so that we could turn to our customers or new customers, even new opportunities, and help them through such a difficult time.
Excellent. Thanks so much, Dustin. Next question, I'm going to turn it over now to Sanjay. Again, thank you for joining us for this demo. Really just one question for you. Why did you choose Boss Insights as a data partner to serve the banking industry?
The Boss Insight solution dramatically simplifies the work of loan decisioning, servicing, and fraud prevention. In turn, OCI simplifies the cloud infrastructure, security, elastic scalability, and costs for Boss Insights. We're grateful for the trust and the opportunity to help Boss and our banking customers in these tough times.
Okay, great. Thanks, Sanjay. So, Karen, it looks like we got a couple of seconds left here. I'll turn it over to you to bring us home.
Thanks, Greg. And thank you, Dustin and Sanjay, for your perspective. There's never been a greater need for digitization than this year. And coupled with the growing expectations from business customers, now is the time to accelerate lending from months to minutes. If you'd like to learn more about the CC Bank case study, or if you're a bank, credit union, or private lender who would like to learn how we can incorporate our data aggregation platform into your existing process, please come visit us at the booth or look on our website at bossinsights.com or email us at info@bossinsights.com. Thank you very much.